Luxury cars are synonymous with smooth leather seats, finely tuned engines, and futuristic dashboards. But what happens when the warranty expires and you're stuck with high repair bills? Fear not. If you're looking for a luxury car that remains reliable after the warranty period, we've got you covered. These top 10 cars are built to last, combining luxury with long-term dependability so you won't be left stranded. Let's dive in. The 10th Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212. The E-Class. It's like the dependable older sibling of the luxury car family. Mercedes-Benz has been making waves with this model for years, and it's easy to see why. The W212 generation in particular is well regarded for its longevity and reliability. If you've ever been to any part of the world outside North America, you might have seen old Mercedes-Benz taxis or delivery vehicles that have easily passed the 300,000 mile mark. Now, before you get too excited, not all E-Class models are created equal. The W211 generation is a bit of a troublemaker. Think of it as the bad cousin that always gets into trouble. The W211 is plagued with issues like faulty SBC braking systems and various electrical problems that could drain your wallet faster than a high-speed chase. However, the W212 generation is a different story. Stronger, more reliable, and far less prone to the headaches of its predecessor. You can snag a good example for around $16,000, making it an attractive option for anyone looking for reliable luxury without breaking the bank. 9. BMW 340i/440 iF30/F32. When BMW introduced the B58 engine in 2015, they didn't just create a good engine, they created a legendary one. This turbocharged inline-6 engine powers both the BMW 340i and 440i, offering the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and long-term reliability. It's the same engine found in the Toyota Supra, which is a testament to its durability and engineering excellence. While older BMW engines had their fair share of issues, the B58 engine is a marvel. It uses an ultra-durable engine block and forged internals, allowing it to go the distance. Sure, you might encounter the occasional oil or coolant leak, but that's pretty much par for the course with BMWs. Overall, this is a car that combines luxury with durability, making it perfect for anyone who wants a fun-to-drive car that will keep running for years. Expect to find a good used one for around $26,000, which is a steal for a car with this much performance and luxury. 8. Audi Q5/SQ5. If you're looking for a compact SUV that handles like a car but offers more practicality and space, the Audi Q5 is the way to go. And if you want something a bit sportier, the SQ5 might be just the thing. Now, while the base 2.0-liter turbocharged engine has some known issues like oil consumption and turbocharger failures, the real gem here is the supercharged 3.0-liter V6. This engine not only provides more power but is also much more dependable. With regular maintenance and the occasional water pump replacement, the Audi Q5 and SQ5 are incredibly reliable. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures you're always ready for whatever the weather throws at you, and the luxurious interior makes every drive feel like a VIP experience. If you're in the market for an SUV that combines luxury and reliability, you can't go wrong with one of these. 7. Audi S4, 2012 to 2016. The Audi S4 is a high-performance luxury sedan that combines dependability with a thrilling driving experience. Models built between 2012 and 2016 are particularly reliable thanks to their supercharged 3.0-liter V6 engine and second-generation DSG transmission. The Quattro all-wheel drive system adds an extra layer of confidence, ensuring that you can take on any road or weather condition with ease. The S4's robust build quality and reliability make it an excellent choice for long-term ownership. While earlier models had some transmission issues, the post-2012 models have ironed out those wrinkles, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking for a fun-to-drive German luxury sedan that won't let you down. 6. Lexus RX 350. When it comes to reliability, the Lexus RX 350 is a no-brainer. This SUV is essentially a Toyota in disguise, which means it's built to last. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is naturally aspirated, meaning fewer components that can wear out and fail over time. With regular maintenance, these vehicles practically run forever. The RX 350 isn't the most exciting vehicle to drive, but it offers a smooth, quiet ride and an interior that's both comfortable and well-equipped. If you're looking for a luxury SUV SUV that will serve you well for years, the Lexus RX 350 is a fantastic choice, and with its resale value being incredibly strong, you'll have no trouble getting your money back when the time comes to sell. 5. BMW X5, 2019 and newer. The BMW X5 is another winner in the luxury SUV category. If you're looking for something that combines luxury, performance, and reliability, the X5 with the B58 engine is the way to go. This turbocharged inline-6 engine is rock solid and far more reliable than previous versions. It's a perfect choice for anyone who wants a practical, luxurious, and fun-to-drive SUV that will stand the test of time. The X5 offers a mix of real performance and next-generation luxury, making it one of the best all-around packages on the market today. With prices starting to dip into the low $30,000 range, the BMW X5 is a steal for anyone looking for a luxury SUV that's built to last. Number 4. Porsche 911, 991 generation. If you want a luxury sports car that will last a lifetime, the Porsche 911 is the gold standard. The 991st generation in particular is known for its performance, quality, and reliability. Porsche has been iterating on the 911 for over 60 years, and their dedication to engineering excellence shows in this car. Not only is the 911 incredibly reliable, but it also holds its value better than almost any other luxury car. Of course, repairs and maintenance on a Porsche aren't cheap, but if you're willing to pay for the privilege of owning one of the best sports cars ever made, the 911 is an excellent choice for long-term ownership. Whether you're looking for something that's fast, fun, or just an all-around great car, the Porsche 911 is a safe bet. 3. Porsche Cayenne. If you love the idea of a Porsche but need something with more space and off-road capability, the Porsche Cayenne is the answer. Not only is it the most fun SUV to drive in its class, but it's also incredibly reliable. Whether you're hauling people, groceries, or towing a trailer, the Cayenne can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The second generation Cayenne, particularly models with the naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 and 4.8-liter V8 engines, are the most reliable. The interior is a bit more cockpit-like than traditional SUVs, but it's comfortable and well built. If you're looking for an SUV that combines luxury, performance, and dependability, the Porsche Cayenne is the way to go. 2. Lexus GX 460. For those who want a rugged, off-road capable luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort, the Lexus GX 460 is an excellent choice. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, the GX 460 is a body-on-frame SUV that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with Lexus luxury. The 4.6-liter V8 engine is durable, and with features like crawl control and multi-terrain select, the GX 460 is just as capable off-road as it is on-road. It's a bit of a niche vehicle, but if you're in the market for something that's tough, reliable, and can go the distance, the Lexus GX 460 is a solid investment. 1. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a reliable and durable luxury SUV known for its high safety ratings and owner satisfaction. It's built to last, with many owners keeping their MDX vehicles for over 15 years. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is strong, and the overall build quality is top-notch. While it does require more maintenance than some of the other cars on this list, the MDX's reliability and value for money make it a great long-term investment if you're willing to deal with some minor upkeep, like timing belt replacements and valve adjustments. The MDX is a fantastic choice. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like and don't forget to subscribe. Got a car you think should have made the list? Drop it in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.